I've had the pleasure now of knowing Sandy since early 2001, and I've watched her over the years, and she is unrelenting in her passion and advocacy for children and for families.
One of the greatest things about working with Sandy is that she is really in it for the cause. She's in it to help people. She's in it to make a difference in her community, particularly with causes related to children.
The Orange County School of the Arts wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for the leadership and generosity of Sandy Daniels. She's been involved with the school since we came to Santa Ana in the year 2000 and has just provided quiet, passionate leadership.
I think what's most inspiring about Sandy, it's not just her support of the Segerstrom Center, it's also so many great cultural organizations all across the county, including OSHA and, of course, the Festival of Children.
The Pacific Symphony is heavily involved with the Festival of Children. And I would say one of the very unique characteristics of Sandy is not only her project-based support, but the national agenda that she has to ensure that nonprofit organizations that specifically target children's well-being collaborate.
When you work in nonprofits, sometimes you just work in your own silo and you don't realize all of the other things that are going on in your community for children. And Sandy, through the Festival of Children, has raised awareness. She's brought children's charities together so that we could maximize resources, and I think elevated awareness, elevated involvement, and elevated engagement.
From her earlier days at the Segerstrom Center, she was a docent. She would lead tours with school groups and introduce children to the world of the arts. But also as a member of the guilds, one of the things they primarily raise funds to support are children's causes and the education programs at the Segerstrom Center for the Arts.
Behind the scenes, without a lot of fanfare and being highly self-deprecating, she is absolutely catalytic, key leader for Pacific Symphony's success today.
There's no job too little or too big for her. She brings her intellect, her energy, her authenticity to anything you need done.
And in all the work she does and how she cares about the Segerstrom Center for the Arts, it's all about the difference this institution can make in Orange County. Congratulations, Sandy.
Sandy, I want to thank you on behalf of the entire Chalk Children's organization and the thousands of people in your fan club for what you've done for our organization and children in our community. We are so thrilled to see you receive this well-deserved recognition, and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts for everything.
Sandy, on behalf of the thousands of gifted and talented students that have come through the doors of the Orange County School of the Arts and the thousands of students that will come through the doors for years and years to come, thank you for your leadership, thank you for your generosity, and thank you for your passion for children and for the arts.
I'm really honored on behalf of the musicians, the board of directors, and our staff. Thank you so much for everything you have done for our community, for our children, and for the arts. We are truly grateful. Thank you.